Offences against the person 1. Assault, battery, and the defence of consent. I'm going to talk to you about non-fatal offences against the person. We will spend 2 tutorials on this topic. Here we will look at assaults and the defence of consent. In the second tutorial, we will go on to look at the more serious offences against the person. Assault occasioning actual bodily harm, wounding and inflicting grievous bodily harm. The offences of common assault and of battery, which I will come to shortly, are both charged contrary to Section 39 of the Criminal Justice Act 1988. The cases of Taylor and Little confirmed that assault is a statutory offence. However, Hasted and the Chief Constable of Derbyshire conflicts with that ruling, and it is held obiter that battery is in fact a common law offence. Despite these conflicting cases, what we can be sure of is that, aside from confirming the existence of the offences, they are summary only and both subject to a maximum sentence of 6 months imprisonment. No other information is contained in the statute. The definition of both the offences of common assault and battery are found in the common law. The definition of an assault, sometimes referred to as common assault or simple assault, comes from the case of Fagan and is as follows. The defendant must cause another person to apprehend immediate and unlawful violence, and the defendant must intend the complainant or be reckless as to whether the complainant apprehends immediate and unlawful personal violence. I'd like now to break this down into the component elements of the offence.